A day at dog school.
He was part of the anti-colonial resistance. It's always been there. There was never a time when black people didn't fight back or stand up for their rights.
Für ihre Rechte.
But from the very start, there was resistance. In 1919, Germany's After the First World War, German imperialist expansion was brought to an end, at least for the time being. The Treaty of Versailles resulted in Germany ceding its colonies.
I was astonished to discover he was granted citizenship. I suppose it was so early on that there weren't yet objections from the colonial administration. Most of the people who applied later were rejected, which made him feel very uncomfortable. So in the end, he changed his profession and became a merchant.
Als Händler unterwegs war,
While traveling on business, Deke met a woman called Nadia. Interracial marriages were banned in the colonies for reasons rooted in racist ideology. But in Gdansk, then Danzig in Russia, the couple married and had 2 daughters, Annika and Doris. A highly respected Afro-German family, they ran a store selling tobacco and other colonial goods. The lives of black people in Germany were of interest to most historians until Helena Oguntoya's work appeared. In 1891, Mandenga Deke traveled to Hamburg from Douala, Cameroon. He came from a wealthy family and could already speak German. He then completed an apprenticeship as a shoemaker.
er wollte als sein
He was expected to demonstrate his shoemaking skills in the big shop window.
Porträtieren, seine Arbeit zeigen und
Instead of looking at animals, we get to see exotic people.
also es ging ja auch
Because I do read the
Except
book
these
there.
people weren't
They're
representing
trying to jump
their
into
own
this one, that's why I turn it
culture or
over.
communities.
And I put they eat all the food on it.
sondern
Hey,
It was
Lucky.
a staged spectacle.
Lucky, why animals?